You know, when your mood is down, steak is a good thing to eat. So this is a really good marinade. You can put it on any steak. I'm gonna put it on flank steak. You need a cup of olive oil. You need soy sauce. Probably about the same soy sauce, 4th cup, we'll say. Cup. We need fresh lemon juice. A half lemon will work. Worcestershire sauce? You know what I mean. Oh, okay, I'm measuring this and I'm making a mess. Okay, a couple tablespoons of that. Basil. Basil. We'll do a tablespoon of basil. You know, half a teaspoon of pepper. A couple garlic cloves. Hot sauce. Just a little bit, or however hot you want it, but I'm just gonna do a little drizzle. And then you blend it up for 30 seconds. You turn it on. So I just put it in here. And I'm gonna pour, don't mind my dishes, I'm gonna hide them. Just gonna pour the marinade over the top. Alright. So I'm just gonna let those flavors get married. Just blend all in there. And then we'll cook it. And it's good to let your steak come to room temperature. I broiled it 5 minutes each side and let it sit. I'm just gonna cut into it for a few pieces. And make myself a plate. I made some homemade Caesar dressing yesterday, and I love me some sweet potato. So I'm gonna have sweet potato and my wine, glass of wine. And oh, I moved my mess.